We'll guide you through how to enable HVCI for Valorant. If you guys find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. To see the status of our HVCI mode and see that it's disabled, we actually need to go into settings, and you can do this step again once you enable it to make sure that it is indeed enabled. In order to do that, we need to press our Windows key and our R key. That's Windows R. Then this pop-up will open up. Over here, we should write msinfo32. It's already written there, so I can just go ahead and press OK. This pop-up will appear. Just scroll all the way down until you find this Hyper-V virtualization enabled in firmware. If this says no, we need to actually go into our motherboard BIOS and enable this. So if yours says no, just quickly shut your PC down and turn it on again. Getting into the BIOS is pretty simple. You either have to press your F1, F2, or your delete key. You could try pressing all three of those in hopes of getting into the BIOS, or your motherboard manufacturer might tell you exactly what to press, because sometimes there's text on the bottom hand side telling you exactly what to press. Once inside your BIOS, it'll look something like this. You can go over to the search section on top and search virtualization. However, if your motherboard doesn't have a search feature, you'll need to go to it manually. Just press on advanced, and then it could be inside settings, it could be inside overclocking. Mine is personally inside overclocking. So I'm just going to press that. I'm going to scroll down and press CPU features. And then as you can see, until virtualization tech is enabled. After doing the process, make sure you save the settings and close out of the BIOS. I do this by pressing the cross at the top right of the BIOS, and then they'll ask you to save up and boot back into the computer. However, as I said before, your virtualization tech could be called something else like SVM, AMDV if you're using an AMD processor. You just got to find it out in the settings, and then once you have, just enable it. If turning on your HVCI through your BIOS has fixed it for you, that's amazing. These are all the fixes we have for you today. Your game should be running fine after you've done everything correctly. If you guys found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.